Namaste. My name is Paul Singh, working as a faculty at UPSIFS. Here, we are committed to provide cutting-edge forensic training to students through hands-on experience with specialized crime scene kits. Our institute is equipped with a range of forensic tools essential for both indoor and outdoor crime scene management, such as crime scene management and fingerprint kit, blood, semen, and explosive identification kit. Recently, these kits were actively used in practical demonstrations and training sessions, where not only students but also police personnel from all over UP engaged in realistic crime scene simulations, evidence collection, and forensic analysis. This hands on approach enhances their skills and prepares them for real world forensic investigations. At UPSIFS, we continue to advance forensic education by integrating practical training with the latest investigative tools, ensuring our students are ready to contribute effectively to the field of forensic science. Thank you.